In this video, we're going to solve problem on how to find the slope and equation of the tangent line using the limit definition of the slope of the tangent line. So the problem is find the slope and the equation of the tangent line to the curve f of x equals 2x squared minus x plus 3 at point 1, 4. How are we going to do this? Recall that our formula here is what? So the slope of the tangent line is just equal to the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. Okay. So take note that our x here is this one and this is our f of x. What does this mean? It means that when your x is equal to 1, the value of y is 4 in this function. Let's say 1. So 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3 equals 4. So we have a point 1, 4 on the curve 2x squared minus x plus 3. So what will we do here? This is simply the slope of the tangent line is just equal to the limit. So f of what is our x? That is equal to 1. So 1 plus h minus f of x. Okay. And we know that our x here is equal to 1. So we'll replace x by 1. Okay, so this becomes f of 1 divided by h. Okay, so it becomes the limit as h approaches 0. So we have f of 1 plus h minus, what is our f of 1? That is 4. So the value of x is 1, the value of y is 4. So this is 4 divided by h. Then evaluate f of 1 plus h. What does this indicate? This means that we're going to evaluate the function when x is equal to 1 plus h. So you simply substitute 1 plus h for all of the x's in this function. So it becomes the limit of, so 2 times your x becomes 1 plus h, 1 plus h squared, then minus another x, so you replace it by 1 plus h, 1 plus h plus 3. So this is f of 1 plus h. So 2 times 1 plus h squared minus 1 plus h plus 3. Then, do not forget to subtract the 4. So minus 4 divided by h. Okay. So we now simplify. So that is the limit. So 2 times, what is 1 plus h squared? So recall our algebra. How do we expand binomial? So square the first. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times h, h. Then multiply by 2. So twice the product. So 1 times h is h times 2, 2h. Then square of h. h times h, h squared. Okay. Then, distribute the negative. Negative times 1, negative 1. Negative times h, negative h. Then 3 minus 4, negative 1. Over h. So, distribute the 2. So 2 times 1, so 2. 2 times 2h, 4h. 2 times h squared, 2h squared. Then, negative 1 minus 1. We copy first the negative h. Then, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. Divided by h. What is the next step? We combine similar terms. So we now have the limit. We write the limit first, then so we have 2 minus 2 cancel, so it's 0. So we now have 4h plus 2h squared minus h divided by h. So then simplify. We have a common factor of h in the numerator, but if you want, you can divide all the terms by h. So we have the limit. So 4h divided by h, we cancel the h, we now have the 4. 2h squared divided by h, so h squared over h is just h, so we now have 2h. Then negative h divided by h is negative 1. So this is now our resulting function after simplifying the expression. So what will we do to evaluate the slope is just substitute the value 0. So this becomes 4 plus 2 times 0 minus 1. And it is equal to 4 plus 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1. So equals. So we now have the slope of the tangent line. What is our next thing to do? So we have the question, the equation of the tangent line. Okay, so let us recall. How do we find the equation of the line? So the equation of the line can be found by using the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, in which x1 or x sub 1, y sub 1 is the given point, and m is the slope. So in the given, we have the slope. We have the point. What is the given point? 1, 4. And we already have the slope, 3. So this is your x sub 1 and this is your y sub 1. So substitute. So y minus what is your y sub 1? 4 equals m is 3. X minus x sub 1 is 1. So we have y minus 4 equals 3 times x, distribute, then 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Then transpose negative 4 to the right, 3x minus 3. So this becomes positive 4. And therefore, the final answer is 3x, negative 3 plus 4 plus 1. So this is the equation of the tangent line. So we already solved the problem.